Alright, today we got another product review. Lasfit has sent us some new headlights, but we're going to try out in the 2022 Ram 2500. Now when I got this truck, it's just got the plain old headlights in it. It don't have the LED and none stuff like that. So it is kind of hard to see at nighttime. I mean, so I've already opened this up. So here's what the box looks like. Now, before I open this up and show you what the product looks like, I got my handy dandy notebook, and we're going to go over a few things that this says it is. So we're going to put this as test for you just to see if everything that they say is true. It says it's 400% brighter. Well, I can't exactly measure that, but we're definitely going to be able to see if it's brighter or not. Plug and play. So it should be an easy installment. Plug and play. Alright. Lasts more than 50,000 hours. Now, if these last 50,000 hours, then you definitely got your money's worth because it's a good price on this product. Safe and reliable. That will soon be found out. And a clean cutoff line. Now, a clean cutoff line is very important. I've tried some different other headlights in other trucks, and you'd have lights everywhere, and don't matter how some super bright, you're blinding other people. You want a good, nice, clean cutoff, so that way you're not blinding other drivers, and you want it safe for them as well as safe for yourself, because if you blind somebody else, they could hit you head on. A perfect beam pattern. Now, that's very important because, like I said, I've installed some and lights will be up everywhere. Like I try to spotlight in trees and stuff, and they would only adjust so far, and they're still everywhere. So we're definitely going to be putting all that stuff to test. So let's open it up and see what we have. All right, open it up right out of the box. We got the instruction manual. Oh, they got us some stickers. You got red, black, and white, and then right there. This definitely looks like plug and play. So let's get started. Everybody on to change the dim. You got a little door right here. I'm trying to get the camera in there. You're gonna pop this little plastic. They got a little plastic rivet right here. It's in there. Right here. Push that in. Take your screwdriver. Pop that out. And then you can get right in there. See that little plastic piece? You're gonna take the plastic piece off, and then your lower headlight bulb will be right there. Now, if you ever want to change the high one, up top, right there, about where my hand is right there. I can zoom in a little bit. You can't really see it right there. But you just pop that out to change the high one. It's a whole lot different from how they did on the 18s, where you have to take the whole headlight out. Now, it was kind of hard to get my hands in there to hold it. And what you're going to do is push in and pull out. Now, this did come out. And so right here, it will be plug and play, as you can see. Should be able to just click this right back on. And then you put it in and twist it. And boom, your headlight's done. So let's get one installed. I don't have a lot of room to show you on how to do it. But all you're gonna do, push this in there, and then twist this in, plug and play. Let's see what happens. Okay, I just plugged it up. I left it hanging down. And I'm gonna have my wife turn the headlights on. Go ahead and turn them on. And if you hear, put this up there, hear the motor. But you do want to check them before it works. You know, make sure they work. All right, y'all. I just got them installed. I put the old ones back in here. And what I'm going to do is, as you can tell, it's still daylight. So whenever it gets nightfall, my sandwich maker, she's got to go to work here in just a minute. So I'm going to let her drive the truck to get some video. And we're going to see how these things really do. And then I'll let y'all be the judge. And we'll be back. All right, y'all. That was 15 seconds of the factory, 15 seconds of the Lasfit, and I got to say, I really like them. As you can see, it's a whole lot brighter, and the way the fan and everything kicks on, my guess is whenever it freezes, gets cold, freezes, and all that stuff, it's also going to help keep your headlights, you know, it's going to kick the heat out inside there, so it's going to keep your lens and everything from frosting over, you know, from all the snow and ice and all that good stuff. So I do like them. I do recommend them. As you can see in the video for yourself, you let me know down in the comments which one you think. So far, I'm going to keep them in, keep testing them out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See y'all on the next one.